Hi everyone, I ended up getting a bunch of yarn in the mail and we're going to be opening up this big giant box of yarn together in this video. So much yarn in this big huge box of this that I got in the mail, but not as much as it really looked like, but I'm super excited to show all of you some awesome beautiful yarn in this video. Hi, I'm Heather from Peterborough Fire Arts, and this is my yarn haul video where I got a big giant box of yarn in the mail from Lovecrochet. They also have another site called Loveknitting, and I bought from their Lovecrochet site a few times. I've had a couple videos about it, and they're a really good site. I'll put the link down below as well as the Loveknitting site in case Lovecrochet doesn't have it on their site sometimes. They'll have it on Loveknitting, but usually they're pretty consistent with inventory. And I'm going to show you what I got in the box now. I ended up getting a lot of one particular color because I have a big giant stuffed toy project going on that a customer wanted a custom request of a big giant Groot, so I ended up having to get a bunch of yarn for it. And I thought I was going to have to get another crochet hook, but it looks like I probably have a big enough crochet hook, but we will see, because if I have to, then I will show that off in another video. Ended up getting a skein of this. It's in the shade Caramel. This is Style Craft Special DK. It is 100% acrylic yarn, and each skein of yarn is 295 meters, 322 yards, and it is a very nice, beautiful DK soft acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic yarn that is. And I really like it. It's a little lighter weight than the normal DKs, and it is very, very soft. And this is in the color Caramel. I ended up getting 8 skeins of yarn of this color, which is going to be the color that my Groot stuffed toy is going to be, and the color that my Groot mini Groots in a pot are. That I ended up selling a bunch of those, so I wanted to get more, and I wanted to make more for myself, and the hubby wants one, so I had to get a lot of this color as well as the custom request that wanted a giant Groot, so stuffed plushie. So this is in the color Mocha. It is my favorite, like, chocolatey brown color. It reminds me of chocolate. It's so pretty. And it's so soft. And I like that it has a little bit of, in the light, has a little bit of lighter brown tint. It's so cool. I got 8 skeins in this of the Mocha, like I just showed you. I'm not going to show you the rest in the bag. This was the bag. I had 4 all together. And then in this bag is this white yarn, and I use that for the little pots for my Groot. In a pot that I make, as well as I just use it a lot in a lot of the other crochet things that I make. And I have this customer that requested a dragon toy, stuffed toy for her daughter for Christmas, and this is probably going to be the pretty white that some of the dragon's going to be in. And it's from the Never Ending Story, so it's that white dragon creature. It's so pretty, all the like detail on it, so it's going to be so fun. And this one, and the white is just called plain white. And all of this is Style Craft yarn that I'm showing you right now. And this is the Candy Floss color. It's a very pretty pink. I use it for the turtles that I make. And I also will be using it for some other projects. Like I'm making these little piggies, and they're going to be in this color. It's so soft. This yarn, I love it. And then this is another white one. And then this one is in the color Walnut. It's a super dark chocolate brown. It's like a deep chocolate, like a dark chocolate. Not like a softer chocolate like the other Mocha. And it's so soft, and I really like the color of it, and I love it. And then I end up getting this, like, it's like a reddish brown color, copper, because I thought it'd make a nice fox color. And the brown I really like to make like twigs and sticks with for my marshmallow on a stick. I also want to make some other things with it. I'm not sure yet, but I really like having that color around. It's handy. And then they put the rest of the mocha yarn in this bag. They put some more of it, so it's the pretty mocha brown. And then they put another beautiful soft, it's more of a pink, but it's called soft pink, soft peach, but it's more of a light pink. And I made a really cool toy with this. It was the little log creatures that I have, idea poses that are bigger, and I like the color. And this customer wanted a light pink, and I thought it looked great in that color, so I wanted to get more because it used almost all of it. So, and then candy floss, another one, because I really like that color for pink. And then I ended up getting this magenta color because I have these tree creature things I make, and I wanted to make more of them, and another one in this color since I sold the one in this color, and I wanted to make one in that color and some other colors. Then Aster for blue, and I just like this color blue a lot, so I just wanted to get more of it. I really love Stylecraft yarn. I never thought I would like, I'm really picky on the acrylic because a lot of it feels rough to me, but I didn't think I would like it at first, but then when I did get it, I was like, oh, now I know why everybody said to get it. And it's so nice, and I love it ordering it online and with the sales, especially on the Lovecrochet site. They have a lot of really good yarn sales going on, and special style DK, Stylecraft special DK, sorry, said it wrong at first, was on sale, so I ended up getting a whole bunch of it. I also got some paint box yarn because that's my favorite for cotton yarn, and I like their acrylic yarn too, but I like their cotton yarn a lot. This is the cotton yarn I use for a lot of my amigurumis as well, and this one's in the Buttercup Yellow is the color. It is paint box yarn, cotton DK, 100% cotton yarn, and I like that it's a lighter DK, and the colors are just amazing, and it's softer than most normal cotton yarns, so it doesn't hurt my hands as bad when I crochet with it, and it's not as rough. And I got a whole bunch of paint box yarn, and I'll tell you all the colors. This is the Buttercup Yellow. I like to make my bees with these, as well as other little amigurumis with it. I like to make my little monsters with these little monster keychains that I've been making, but I made the bigger monsters with this stuff, and it's in Kingfisher blue. I also like making anything in the color blue with it, with this really pretty blue. I also like this sailor blue, which is a little darker than this. This is so pretty, but it's not quite a royal blue. And those were the paint box yarns, and then I got some more DK Stylecraft special DK in this bag. Another walnut, black. This black's always handy to have, and it's so soft, and well, it's extra soft for some reason, that one, which is awesome. And then this one is another soft peach. This one's a different color I didn't have in my stash, and now I do. It's called Spring Green. It's a really nice, beautiful light green. Really like having some lights with the darks, so it's really cool to have various colors for projects. Sorry about taking a little while with the bags. And then the last and final bag, which has the most in it, is, it looks like it's all paint box yarn, so I'll be going through it with all of you. It is paint box cotton DK, and this is Pansy Purple. Very pretty purple. I like making purple octopuses with it when people want that, or for myself, as well as anything purple with it. And then this is a beautiful white paint box yarns, cotton DK. And I like making the bottoms of these little mini whales I've been making with this beautiful white, as well as white whales if people want an all white whale, because I made one by an accident when I was trying to make a seal, and I just liked the color after that, and other people liked it too, which is cool. And then this is sky blue, which is lighter than the other blues I showed you. It's almost a turquoise kind of color that comes out when it's next to green, which is cool. Then this is pale lilac, which is a light purple. And like I was saying, these are all paint box cotton DK, 100% cotton yarn. This is vintage pink, and it's a very nice color. I was making some, I was thinking foxes with this, with a cotton colored fox. Cool. Because it's like a red, it's like it has some reddish, I mean pinkish tint, but it's also orangey. Which is weird because it's called vintage pink, I guess. So it's look old, but it just looks kind of orangey pink. So cool. And then this one's grass green. And yet more of these, of all these colors I was running out as I was making my amigurumis. So I'm so happy to have another group of them. And this is another kingfisher blue. This one is blood orange, which is a very beautiful orange. And then this one is pistachio green. I haven't had this one in my collection, but now I do, and I really like it. It's a light pale green. But it also has like a silver tint to it, which is so neat. And this one's my favorite gray. It's granite gray. Really love it. And then this one is bubblegum pink. My favorite pink to use when I want to make something pink. And then this one is melon sherbet. Like using it on my porks when I make those, as well as other things. Coffee bean brown. For a dark brown, it's a really nice color. Love it. And then this is pure black. It's always good to have, especially when I make a lot of mini bees. Another pure black. And another paper white. And this one's stormy gray. I like to make my blob creature with this color, as well as I just like having light grays around. It's so cool. Very nice gray. And then this one is soft fudge, which is a very nice brown, for a lighter brown. And that was it for all the yarn. I hope that you all liked seeing all the beautiful yarn that I got. I'm going to be getting more yarn again soon, so there'll be more yarn haul videos to come, always, always. Since the more you make, the more you end up using, and the more you end up having to buy. But I'm at this point that I want to use what I have and before I buy more, but I still love buying yarn so much that it's like almost like addiction. So it's like, gotta buy more. So as I buy more, I'll be showing you what I get. It's so much fun showing you, all of you, what I got in the mail, and I really, really love showing all my yarn off and talking with all of you about it and telling you what I make with it, as well as showing you on my podcast what I do make. And I hope you all have a awesome, wonderful, beautiful day, night, afternoon, no matter where you're from. And I will talk to you on the next video. As always, if you have subscribed to my channel already, please do by hitting the subscribe button down below. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any comments you would like to leave me, I always love them and I always get back to them, and I love each one and every every one of my comments that I get, and you can just comment down below, as well as if you'd like to join me on any of my social media such as Facebook, Bloglovin, Instagram, or Twitter, or if you would like to join me on my blog or Ravelry, or email me. All those are linked down below. If you'd like to purchase anything from my Etsy shop and help support me and my family, that link is down below. As well as if you would like to join me on any of my other links that I might have forgotten, that are all linked down below. I also link to where I got this yarn, which is Lovecrochet. You can also go to Loveknitting and you can get the same kind of yarn, and they have lots of other kinds of yarn on there, and they have lots of sales going on, and both those links are down below. And I hope you have an awesome, wonderful, beautiful day, night, afternoon, again, like I just said, and I will talk to you next time. Bye bye.